It's back. Yep, I'm on Seaside Village again. Hey guys, today I'm playing Seaside Village, running around like I got nothing else to do. There we go. Well, my plan for today is to kind of find a bed, sleep there. Pretty much have lost everything I had. I had 9 swords. Then I had to kill myself to find my way back to the village where I live. So here I went out looking for sheep for my beds, and I even got shears. And I had all the wool I needed. Then, oh, stupid stuff. Managed to lose it all. So that's a big problem. And luckily I've made it so the villagers always used to walk around in clumps, but now I've given them a route up to their houses. So now they're all going up there. And so literally I've got nothing. Didn't even get a chance to I didn't even get a chance to get myself back up. That's it. I'm gone. So that's a big problem. And there's nothing to eat. And it's quite hard to walk along this. I might put a fence on it. A fence along all this so I don't fall in. But yep. It's gonna be another 8 minutes of being stuck in here. What I might do though, because this can save everyone from zombies. Alright, you get up as well. Come on, get up. All villagers just get up. There we go. So now, all these villages are safe from monsters. And we've got a lovely garden to... Yep, this is boring. Nights are boring when you don't have a bed. So, yep, here's a reason why I haven't been here a long time. Pretty much I haven't been on my tablet for a long time as well. Right, the store went nuts. Now safe. And I'm going... Oh no. These guys are annoying. Okay, I've got all my sugar. Got one more bit. Got my sugar. Now I'm getting up. Phew. I can't shout for now. What I can do though, we needed a source of light for a while, so this might be a bit dangerous, but Come on, break. This town's made of wood. This ain't a good idea. What about I make it so it all goes into the water? How well did this thing work? Yep, didn't work too well. I need every kind of block I can get now. Yep, I would be shouting because it's such a tense moment, but I'm not, and I need a block of something. Well, that was fun. Basically, I drowned. So right here. So I tried to find a way out, but really couldn't do anything about it. I tried to get out of the water, but then sadly I drowned. So now it's daytime. Boy, sheep. I need this wool. And then I've got I need this wool for my bed. Right, next time I see a sheep, they're going to be dead, and I'm going to happen to have a bed. Right, this is going to be a long video. See you once I've got that wool. I got 3 pieces of wool, but I got the wrong wool, so I can't make a bed. Look a sec. I did it. So basically, now I've got everything I need. Yep. In the chest I've put all my a couple of tools and stuff. Got a crafting table. Got a bed. Yep. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will be uploading the next episode shortly. Bye.